Welcome to Wealthy Habits. If you're feeling like your finances are out of control and you're ready to take action in 2023, look no further, because in this video, we'll be going over some practical tips that you can take to get your finances in order and put you on a path to achieving your financial goals. First and foremost, creating a budget is the foundation for getting your finances in order. A budget is like a roadmap for your money, outlining where your income is coming from and where it's going. Start by listing all your income sources, including your job, any side hustles, and any other streams of revenue. Then make a list of all your fixed expenses, including rent, groceries, transportation, and other necessities. By subtracting your expenses from your income, you'll be able to see if you have any extra money that you can put towards paying off debt, saving, or investing. Once you've got a budget in place, it's essential to set financial goals for yourself. These goals can range from short-term, such as paying off a credit card balance, to long-term, such as saving for retirement. But don't just aimlessly set goals. Make sure they follow the SMART method. That means goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will ensure that you stay on track and make progress towards your financial goals. Another step to getting your finances in order is to organize your documents. This includes bank statements, bills, pay stubs, and receipts. Set up a filing system that works for you, whether that's a physical filing cabinet or a digital system using a tool like Apple Notes, if you're on a Mac, OneNote on Windows, or something like Google Drive or Dropbox just to store files that way. By keeping your paperwork in order, you'll be able to quickly access the information you need and make informed financial decisions. Next, take a good look at your accounts and subscriptions. Are there any accounts or subscriptions that you no longer use or need? By canceling them, you'll be able to save money. Also, be sure to review the fees and terms of your accounts to make sure you're getting the best deal. An emergency fund is a crucial part of getting your finances in order. It's a sum of money that you set aside specifically for unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. By having an emergency fund in place, you'll be able to protect yourself against financial setbacks and avoid having to tap into your long-term savings or investments. As a general rule, it's a good idea to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. If you're dealing with debt, a good option to solve this issue is to use the debt snowball method. This method of paying off debt was popularized by author Dave Ramsey, and it consists on a strategy for paying off your debts in order of smallest to largest balance, regardless of the interest rate. This method has helped thousands of people take control of their finances and become debt-free. Getting your finances in order can be a daunting task, but by taking these steps and following through with them, you'll be able to take control of your finances and set yourself up for success in the year ahead. We've touched on a number of subjects today, so watch this video next to get more in-depth look into one of them and subscribe to learn more wealthy habits.